right, what we're gonna do for today's workout is a dumbbell clean and jerk, and more specifically, a double dumbbell squat clean and push jerk. So let me go over what that looks like, and then we'll talk about the specifics. So we're gonna have two dumbbells. We're gonna start with them touching the ground. We're gonna stand up into a squat clean. Then we're gonna go into a push jerk. That's the full thing. Let me show you again from the front. And then let me show you one more from the side. Okay, let's talk about that a little bit. So, as you can see, we're now combining the clean, the squat clean with the push jerk. So the squat clean is that bringing the object from the ground with a nice flat back up into triple extension, and then receiving it down in our squat, standing that up, and then doing the dip, drive, punch, lockout, stand up, which is that push jerk. When we're combining that movement, we're gonna do that for 5 repetitions. As you can see, I'm already a little winded from that. This is a sneaky one. It sneaks up on you how much muscle and effort you're having to use to do that. So you're gonna need 2 dumbbells. I have a pair of 30s. You can certainly go lighter than that, especially if you haven't done this before. I would recommend lighter than that. We're gonna do a set of 5 every 90 seconds. And I'll set a timer. We're gonna go in 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go ahead. Once you get to 5, set those down. Got about 45 seconds to rest. Bring your heart rate back down. Take some breaths. "30 seconds. Feel free to adjust your weight if this is a lot harder than you expected or easier. Adjust your weight up and down as needed. They're meant to be a bit challenging, so keep that in mind. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and second set, 5. Once you get to 5, set those down again. Make sure you're breathing. Try to bring your heart rate back down. We have 30 seconds, and we're on our next one. This is a challenging movement pattern sequence. Probably recognize it. It's one of the 2 Olympic weightlifting movements done with a barbell instead of dumbbells, but very, very similar. We have 10 seconds. Then we're on round number 3. 3, 2, 1, Go ahead. Once you get to 5, once again, set those down. 3 rounds completed, 2 rounds to go. Try to get a few big inhales. If you can get a slow exhale every once in a while, that's definitely helpful to bring your heart rate down. "20 seconds, and we're on our second to last round. "10 seconds. Three, 2, 1, go ahead. 5 reps. Squat clean, push jerk. And once you hit 5, set them down. We got one more round to do. "30 seconds. And our final set of these. "10 seconds. Last set of 5. 3, 2, 1, go ahead. And once you finish those last 5, set the weights down, get a few breaths. You're all done. Good work. Looking forward to the next one.